Welcome to Easy English Practices. There are 20 English tenses quiz questions. Let's begin. Question 1. Tomorrow at 3 p.m., test dash through time. A. Will have traveled. B. Will be traveling. C. Will travel. Harry dashed a dinosaur fossil last summer. A. Found. B. Was finding. C. Had found. Identify the present simple tense. A. The sun rises in the east. B. The sun is rising now. C. The sun has risen. She dashed 3 books this month already. A. Has read. B. Is reading. C. Reads. Annie dashed to the park every Saturday. A. Goes. B. Is going. C. Has gone. Which sentence is in the zero conditional? A. If you heat ice, it melts. B. If you heated ice, it would melt. C. If you had heated ice, it would have melted. If she dash late tomorrow, she'll miss the time jump. A. Will be. B. Is. C. Was. He dashed in the museum when the lights went out. A. Worked. B. Had worked. C. Was working. Identify the past simple passive tense. A. The book was written by her. B. The book has been written by her. C. The book is written by her. While he dashed the time machine, Finn called him. A. Repaired. B. Was repairing. C. Had repaired. Right now, Tessie dash a new book about time travel. A. Read. B. Is reading. C. Has read. Identify the present perfect tense. A. Did you ever visit Rome? B. Have you ever visited Rome? C. Do you ever visit Rome? By the time she arrived, Harry dashed the exhibit already. A. Saw. B. Was seeing. C. Had seen. Jane dash on her project all day tomorrow. A. Will work. B. Will be working. C. Will have worked. Identify the past simple tense. A. I have gone to the market. B. I was gone to the market. C. I went to the market. Tom dashed a time machine in 2020. A. Was building. B. Built. C. Had built. Identify the future in the past tense. A. He said he will come. B. He said he would come. C. He says he will come. Ty dashed time travel experiments since she was a kid. A. Conducts. B. Is conducting. C. Has been conducting. Identify the present perfect tense. A. She just finished her meal. B. She has just finished her meal. C. She was just finishing her meal. He dashes homework before dinner every day. A. Has finished. B. Is finishing. C. Finishes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.